Welcome to physics class. We are learning magnetic effects of electric current. Long time ago, people knew about magnetism as well as electricity, but they never knew the relation between the two. So, we shall learn here how electricity is related to magnetism. To begin with, we should know what is a magnet. Let us brush up what we know already about the magnets. A magnet has two poles, North Pole and the South Pole. It always exists in these two poles. If you break the magnet into two halves or many halves, each piece of the magnet will always have both the poles with it. Another thing which we already know is iron filings. If we place it on a paper and bring a magnet near to it, they all get attracted to it. Here we will be learning in this lesson how the magnetic field lines are produced. The magnetic field lines are actually produced due to the flow of magnetic fields surrounding the magnet. So, what is a magnetic field? A magnetic field is the area surrounded by the magnet where the attraction or the repulsion of the magnet is experienced. So, let us see an experiment wherein we know how the magnetic field lines are formed around a magnet. Let's consider an experiment wherein we have a magnet with north and south pole, and suppose we have the magnet with two colors painted on it, red and blue, the red indicating the north pole, and a compass which you have to place near to the north pole, and you can see that the south pole will be attracted to the north pole of the magnet, and then so you have to keep on pointing to the north pole and move the compass around the magnet and then draw the lines through that path. Repeat the same kind of a experiment with another position, and you will see that the magnetic field lines will be formed around the magnet. And with that you can also understand that the magnetic field lines, they are not crossing each other, they are all circular lines which do not cross each other. They all are heading from the north pole to the south pole, and so we say that the magnetic field lines move from the north pole to the south pole outside the magnet, and they are always continuous lines in a sense. These lines, they do not break anywhere in between. When they start from north pole, they reach the south pole, and they are very close. They will be having a strong force in those places, that is in the north and south pole. Let us now summarize what we learned and did in the experiment. The properties of magnetic field lines. Magnetic field lines emerge from north pole and merge into south pole outside the magnet. And inside the magnet, they emerge from south pole to north pole. Magnetic field lines are concentric circles around the magnet. They do not cross each other. And field lines are very dense at the poles. That indicates that it has got strong magnetic field at the poles. Now, having known about the properties of magnetic field lines, let us see the next thing on this, that is mixing the magnetism with electricity. Yes, the electromagnetism. Have you thought about what will happen when electricity and magnetism get together? Yes, a lot of inventions have been done on this field, and the applications of this electromagnetism are so wide that even now we are developing lots and lots of things on this using this principle. We shall see in depth these things in future video sessions.